Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file an annual report for LLC in Florida. So let's get started. So now here we are in Google, and the first thing that you would need to do is to go and type in Sunbiz renewal in google.com. And from here, you want to click here on this first link. So once you're here, what you want to do is you want to provide the document number of your business. So if you don't know the document number, all you have to do is go open up a new tab, and from here go for search.sunbiz.org, and then from here you'd be able to search your entity name right here. So click here, and then from here just simply input the business name. So for example, education, just for an example, and click on search now. And then the next thing is you want to select here on the corporate name of your business. So for example, this is your business, so you want to click here, and then from here you can see the document number, and then you can already see it right here actually. So when you go back right here, you can already see the document number. So all you have to do is to just copy your document number. So now once you got your document number, you want to go back into this page, and from here just paste your document number right here, click on submit, and then from here we can now proceed into submitting our annual report. So from here what we want to do is scroll all the way down, and then you will be able to see here if you want a certificate of status, then you can press yes, and this would cost you a few more dollars. So as you can see, it's cost $8.75 right here, but if not, then you can just no, and then from here click on move on to the final review. And then from here you make sure that everything is correct right here, and then answer this one right here, your email address, re-enter your email address, and then type the name of individual signing here, and then the title, and so on. And now you will be redirected right here. So all that's left is to provide your payment information, so you can see the total amount that you're going to pay, and then your payment options right here. You can go for credit or debit card, or you can go for a check or money order, or you can go for a Sunbiz filing account, and you would need to provide the details right here. So just complete this process right here. You don't need any special guidance for this one because these are all just your personal payment details right here. So now after paying, you will now be able to print a copy of your annual report or the receipt, and then you can go back into here in where you search for the entity name right here, and then you'd be able to see your reports right here. As you can see, annual report, as you can see right here, you would now be able to view them in PDF format. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.